Jai Hind friends. Alright, so today let's talk about hard truth. Many people are earning well, but still they are not becoming rich. So the question is why? Well, the answer is simple. Income alone does not create wealth. You might have noticed this, right? As salary increases, expenses also increases. Like better phone, better lifestyle, more spending, but savings still zero. So basically, this is called lifestyle inflation. The more you earn, the more you spend, and slowly you get stuck in a cycle. Now, second problem, and this is very common, EMI trap. You see phone EMI, car EMI, credit card bills, everything looks affordable monthly, but in reality, your future income is already spent. Now, just think about it for a second. If most of your income is going into EMIs, then how will you build wealth? Next problem, and this is something most people ignore, no system. I mean, people don't track their money. They spend randomly, they invest randomly. There is no proper plan. And honestly, when there is no system, money just disappears. Now, let's talk about another mistake, late investing. People keep saying, I'll start later when my income increases, but they don't realize they are losing the biggest advantage, compounding. Even small amounts invested early can grow into something big over time. Next problem, wrong priorities. People focus more on showing off instead of building real wealth. Expensive lifestyle may look good from outside, but inside there is no financial strength. So now let's talk about the solution. First, control your lifestyle. Just because your income increases does not mean your expenses should increase. Second, build a system. Fix a percentage of your income for savings and investing. Third, create an emergency fund. At least 3 to 6 months of expenses should be covered from this emergency fund. Fourth, start investing early. You can start simply by SIP in mutual funds. It's boring, yes, but it works in long term. And most importantly, stay consistent. Fifth, increase your income. Learn new skills. Build side income. Grow your earning capacity. So, yes, if you think about it, wealth is not about how much you earn, it's about how you manage your money. Rich people are not lucky, they are disciplined. And poor people are not unlucky, they just follow the wrong habits. So, now ask yourself honestly, are your habits making you rich or keeping you stuck? And yes, if you want to learn real practical finance, you can consider subscribing.